single, which is, yeah, Summertime. If hindi nyo pa napapakinggan, go and listen to it and feel the magic of summer vibes. Woo! Dun, dun, dun. Thank you, Kimbot. Thank you. I see you as Ayu or Naran. Really? Wow. That's it's a compliment. Yeah, let's stream Summertime. Thank you, Kira. Summertime, feeling alive. Stars above, let's take a dive. Si Popo. Popo! Halika dito, Popo. Halika, Popo. Mag-usap tayo, Popo. Mag-usap tayo dito, Popo. Summertime, feeling alive. Thank you. Thank you, Kira. Stream natin ng Summertime. Yeah. Summertime, feeling alive. Akala mo talaga mayroon eh. Bagong dog mo. No, it's not my dog. It's Ate Margaret's dog. This dog. Dito. Ano to? Di ba may kwento bakit Popo name niya? Yes. Alam niyo ba kung bakit Popo yung name niya? Pala Popo kasi siya. Like, nung baby siya, pupo siya ng pupo. Like, parang every minute, pupo siya ng pupo. Kaya, Popo siya. Popo talaga. Kaya kung saan-saan, ako talaga. Kaya, bawal ka matulog sa sahig or ano. Kasi, pag pupopo, yan. Si Maggie ba yun? Meron siyang diaper, pero ayaw niya magsuot. Alam niyo ba kapag ida-diaper na sila, magtatago yan. Magtatago sila. Ayaw nila. Di ba, Mogi? Tired of playing it safe. You know that life's too short. Waiting for MV and dance. Yeah, I cannot wait na ma-release na rin ang music video kasi I'm really excited na makita yung sarili ko sa MV. It's my first music video. So, yeah, I'm so excited. Sana. Happy birthday. Thank you. Yeah, kumakain naman siya ng maayos. Though, very picky. Picky. Bye. Happy birthday ulit. Thank you, Kira. Thank you. Patingin sila sa mirror. Curious sila. HBD, magkasunod pala kayo ni Jem. Yeah, magkasunod kami ni Ate Jem ng birthday. It was her birthday yesterday. And then, it's my birthday right now. Magkasunod kami ng birthday. Cool, right? Cool. Are you ready? Yeah, it's Turgeon's first music video kasi mostly ang lineup dito mga Turgeon. So, yeah. Thank you, Honey Claude. Thank you. Thank you, Angelo. Thank you, Kuya Rob. No way, man. No way, man. Alright. No way, man. No way, man. Da, 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 da. Kaya may pinadala kaming dinosaur. Dumating na. Dinosaur? Anong dinosaur? Ala, ano yun? Nakaka-curious tuloy ako. Anong dinosaur? Milo dinosaur. Anong dinosaur? Ano ba yung search ko? No way, man. Summertime, feeling alive. Ako next month na birthday ko. Oh, lapit na. Lapit na ang birthday. Hope you're still having the best birthday. Happiest birthday. Muntikan ko na mabasa yun. Thank you. Thank you, Kaiser. Ako hindi. Why? Yes, we have Kuya Yabusa is turning old na. Okay, that's okay. At least. Ay. Hala. Ayun. Ba't parang hinanungan? Ito na yung pinaka-ano yun. Arigato, kahit hindi ko naintindihan, I think it's a good message because it has the emoji, cake, and then a party. Kaya I think that's a good message because it includes a ay, wow! Thank you! May food tayo, guys. Ayos na. Alam niyo ba kung ano ang tubig natin? Akala mo talaga. Tubig, this is not a sparkling water. This is just a water. Nakita mo na ba yung in-edit ko sa'yo sa IG? Stay hydrated. Stay hydrated. And loves and my loyal crayons. Loyal crayons. Uy, si Popo. Ay, Popo. Kampay. Flat long press. Happy 22 flat. Thank you. Inom tayo tubig. It tastes clean. It tastes clean. Carbonate, no. It's just normal water. Just normal water. Sure. Pwede akong gumawa ng beardo. Hello. So, tomate, I translate to English. That's so cute. So, tomate. Tignan nyo, may doggy-doggy ako katabi. Why, Aki? Why? Gulat yarn. Hindi kasi ang lapit. Ang lapit ni Maggie nag-bark. Nakagulat. Ito, nakano siya sa akin. Si Maggie, lagi talaga siya nakadikit. Bahala ano siya. Everywhere you go, dikit siya. Mga bisita ko to. Si Maggie, si Dio, and then si Popo. That is my, my visitors. feel good. I have like, ang tawag dito, heart. I wish your birthday is a wonderful year and always a good one. Thank you. That's so sweet, Takaneko. Thank you for your sweet message. Small heart too. That would blend the white. Dahil sa Noe Man, naalala ko palagi yung mga show ni Sir Robinson's LP. Oh, yeah. Grabe din yan eh. Like, talagang pumunta kami sa, Bicol. Saan ba yun? Pampanga. And first time lang namin mag-perform with the audience. Kaya grabe yung kaba din, yung pressure. Yeah, but it's a nice experience. Tapos nung first small show pa namin nun, nag-practice na kami for like a week. Thank you, agent! For like a week. And then, bigla kami nagkasakit ni Rachel nun. Like, sabay kami nagkasakit, I think because we ate something cold. Sabay kami nagkasakit nun. And then, ayun, yung first mo show namin, hindi natuloy. Hindi siya natuloy because nagkasakit kaming dalawa. Sabi namin, sayang, it's our first, and then hindi na natuloy ganun. But, yeah, nadala na kami doon na wag iinom ng malamig, kumain ng sweet. Kasi ilang oras din yung namin nun, yung training namin, and then baguhan lang kami. Kaya medyo nag-a-adjust pa ganyan. Birthday. Rob Metro isa na first mo show nyo na, no? Yeah, I think, ayun. Yes, tama. Health is wealth. Kaya you have to take good care of your health. Stay healthy talaga para you can do things you want to do. Ayun nga alam mo ba, Kuya Rob, iniisip ko, paano kaya kami magpe-perform kapag parang pandemic? I mean, may COVID, di ba? Required lahat ng tao na magsuot ng face shield. Like, paano kaya kami magda-dance with the face shield? Di ba? Parang nakakaano yun. Hindi ko maka-breathe. First small show, I was there in Robinson's Las Piñas yata yun. Yeah, I think my first small show was Las Piñas. Ayun yung first ko, kaya talagang kinakabahan ako. And then, di ba, yung bigla akong bumaba ng stage, I thought we have to go down na. Kaya, ayun. Nauna siya bumaba. Akala ko kasi bababa na kami after that. So, ayan lang, hindi pa pala tapos balik tayo. Kakahiya yun. Nakakahiya yung mga moments na gano'n. So shy. Kaya sumanasay, matanay. Nakakahiya, beto. Tapos may naka-witness pa doon. Yung nakakahiya mong moments, meron pang naka-witness doon. Tapos hindi niya pa makalimutan. Ay ko. Memories. Hindi po ako nakanood ng concert ni IU. Pero I'm a big fan of her. Uwi na yan. Uy, hindi. Aga ko nga gumising nun eh, kasi super excited talaga ako. Siyempre dahil first mall show ko yun. First time kong sasapak sa ganon. So, excited ako. And then, kinakabahan talaga. Hindi pa po ako nakakapunta ng Japan. Yeah, si CJ pumunta siya nung concert ni IU. Unforgettable moments mo na yun. Madami. Kasi wala talaga akong idea. I mean, medyo ina-admit ko po na medyo slow learner ako. Noon, uso ngayon, okay na. Hindi, ayun. Noon, medyo talagang hindi ako mabilis mag-adjust sa bagong ayun. So, I'm having hard time adjusting sa mga ganun-ganyan. Kasi everything is new to me.
Music is
Ayan. Sa Robimos, first mo show naman sa iyo.
Listen to all
sa
your favorite
Imos.
playlists and albums in
Taga
any
Cavite
order.
ka ba ko nando?
Download
Imos
any
is
track to
Cavite.
play offline. All with no ad breaks. Just
Maraming fans
uninterrupted
ng IU,
music listening.
sinusunod nila, Black
Tap the
Band,
banner to
pati
learn more.
VIP. Pumunta ka ba, John Paulo nung concert ni IU? Oo naman, free. Happy birthday! Thank you! Pinapagalitan ka kapag hindi naman po kasi understanding naman sila coach nun. Tapos sinutulungan din naman ako ng mga ibang members kapag ano nga ba ulit to? So ayan, nagtutulungan naman po kami kapag merong hindi po nakakahabol, tutulungan po namin. Kaya ayun, it's nice. Mostly sa Cavite ako nag-stay lang. Cavite. So, kapag merong ganapang MNL sa Cavite, pupunta ako nando. Kasi you're near. Naalala ko tuloy, nag-event kayo sa Robinson's Dash. Di ba nakakamiss na? Kaya nga po, sana sa promotion po namin ng 8 single, sana makapunta kayo sa mall shows. Itong 8 single. Hindi ko makakalimutan nung mini handshake last December 2021. First time kita nakita at naka-handshake. Oh yeah, I remember that one. Like, ang ano ko pa noon, parang super tall. Super tall. Hindi kasi sobrang taas nung heels. Di ba matangkad na ako. Sa taas pa ng heels. So parang, hi! OMG! Ang rude. Hindi, joke lang. Ang nene mo ba nun? Galing ka sa pumunta na ako ng Imos Sporting. That's my hometown. Mga taga-South pala kayo. Mostly, taga-South. Balot na balot pag bumuka. Balot na balot pag bumuka namin. Grabe. Kaya nga like parang alam nyo ba nun? May time na gusto ko tanggalin yung mask nyo kasi syempre gusto ko kayong makita, gusto ko kayong makilala, gusto ko kayong ma-recognize. Kaso how would you do that if you're not able to recognize the whole face? What? Kasi may COVID pa din, di ba? Tapos nung handshake, nung first handshake namin, meron kaming gloves, plastic gloves. So parang, sayang. Wala pa pong MB ang summertime. Kaya, abangan po natin ang MB. Gusto ko na rin po makita. Parang kakain kayo ng unli wings. Ayun nga eh. Parang mag-unli wings ang dating. Tapos nakakapawis din yun sa kamay. May dala ako medic gloves sa hotel kasi rush ako para pilahan ng tao. Ang lala first handshake event nun dahil sa face shield. Sobrang init pa nun, diba? Grabe yung face shield. Di ko rin nga alam kung ano yung purpose nun. Para siguro dito masikang lawa. Sobrang nakaka-suffocate yung face shield. Kaya, ang hirap-hirap lumabas sa bahay. Teka ba, pag magmumol ka, sobrang bilis mo mahilo. Kasi, merong face shield, di ba? Panahong napakarupok pa ni JC Turon ng class. Oh, ano? Asa si JC? Thank you, Jean Patrick. Hello. Thank you. Lack of oxygen, right? Diba? Super suffocating talaga. Bilis mo din mahilo kapag lumalabas. Napakainit pa naman. Kasi bago yung S pa ngayon eh. Bago sila. Ito, live my life. Live my life. Thank you, Queer Robe. Thank you, Jean Patrick. Ganda niyan, Kla. Ngayon ko palang dito papakinggan. Nakita ko lang siya sa TikTok. Sabi ko, may bago palang Espa. Oh, si Sailor Kun. Thank you. Thank you, Sailor Kun. Ay, go, bakit ka late? Ayan. Ayan. Ba't ka late? Birthday ng ate mo. Wow, nakuya po to. Grabe, Espa. Maya, so happy. Eh, parang mala rockstar ang dating ah. Mga mala band. Nice. Grabe, Espa, kahit B-side lang ganda ng MV. Lang ganda ni Giselle. Ganda nila lahat. Uy, puta. Ay, ito yung shoot nila nung ano. Yung parang field. Yeah, ito pala yun. Oh my gosh. Cute Dogo. Isang so nice. What's up the name of the puppy? Ano daw name mo, Maggie? Maggie daw. Yeah. Her name is Maggie. She's turning 2 years old. She's turning 2 years old. Pero still looks like a tuta. Still looks like a tuta. And a really small. Yeah! Oh no! Sige po. Akala ko sa akin. Ay, ang taray. Ang ganda, Emmy. Ganda ni Karina. Sobrang bagay kay Winter yung merong guitar. Lalo na kapag electric guitar. It suits her very well. Super bagay sa akin. Winter! My life, my life, my life, my life. Word.
May magic sa wallet mo. Pagbili mo ng Maggie Magic Sarap
Okay
Budget,
lang
triple
next
pack,
time
2 pesos
mo,
ang
record
savings
ko.
mo.
Plan ko upload sa
More magic sa budget,
YT katulad sa
magic sa
Yeah,
Luigi.
sure.
Maggie
Sure,
Magic
you
Sarap
could do
Budget,
that.
triple pack. Bili na.
That would be better. Wag na. Ito kasi wala lang.
I'm like
Some kind of supernova.
watch out. Look at me go. To the jump boy. Take call. So high.
Oh, this one is
서로의 존재를 느껴 마치 디스코드 날 닮은 너 누구야 Drop 사건은 다가와
recorded na po pero the more the merrier. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, you're right. Yung edit nila sa TikTok na Kiminchi kay Winter. Edit nila.
Can't stop, hyper, stella 멈춰 그걸 찾아 You know I got it 불러내 내 우주를 봐봐
Wow! Thank you for the flower. Thank you for the bouquet of flowers. Oh my God. It's so pretty. Ang ganda ng pagka-color. This shade of pink is my favorite shade of pink. Ulit. Yeah, this shade of pink. Pretty. Thank you for this.
Supernova Nova Can't stop Hyper Stella
Mahulog siya.
그걸 찾아 Bring the light of a night star 불러내 내 우주를 봐봐 Supernova
Supernova. Money bouquet ka mo, ba? Hello, teka lang po. Mag-end po ang aking live.
속에 너를 만나서 아주 bang bang 벌기만 해 Supernova 사건은 다가와 에이 거세게 커져가
Dito.
계속 돼
Gusto ata ni Maggie no?
사건은 다가와 에이 거세게 커져가 Tell me 우린 어디서 왔나 우린 어디서 왔나 Nova Can't stop Hyper Stella 멈춰 그걸 찾아
Iyo. Bagong gupit din siya. Supernova. Magpagupit siya kasi bull-bull na siya. Ito ang aking bisita. Si Deo. Si Deo. Supernova. Ayan, si Deo. Si Deong laging nasa ilalim ng kama. Ba't lagi ka nasa ilalim ng kama, ha? Ha? Ba't lagi ka nasa ilalim ng kama? Uy. What you doing, Dio? Armageddon. Armageddon.
Watch, I'ma bite back, 진짜 너도
Ba't mo po
위마다
ako
설 땐, 한 걸음
Hala,
앞으로
bakit? Siguro, meron kang kinoment na something na commute-mute. Ingat po tayo sa mga kino-comment natin para hindi po tayo ma-mute. Yo, mahilig siya sa chicken. Kapag Dio's feeling down, ayan, chicken. Chicken. Ano na ano ni Deo? Is he named after the song? Dio. So Dio is named after EXO. Dio is inspired sa EXO because Dio has big eyes like Kyungsoo. Yeah. The cake, gusto niyo na ba mag-blow tayo? Ang oras na ba? 11:10. Gusto niyo na ba mag-blow tayo? Yes, please. Sige, mag-blow na tayo ng cake. Let's blow the cake. Ready lang natin. Lipat tayo dito. Kasi hindi siya pwede dito sa bed. Baka pagising ko, hindi na patay yung mata ko. Kinagat na ng langgam at ipis. Wait. Kain po tayo. Ano? Ano? Wait lang po. Mag-hire ka ng magician sa party mo. Pwede ako. Magician ka ba? Marunong ka ba mag-ano ng coin? Alam mo yung hulaan mo kung saan mawawala. Huwag na baka mawala sigla. Dio! Chincha, Dio just peed. Dio, we're all white. Oh my gosh. Wala na. Wala na ang white. Otoke.
May magic sa wallet mo. Maggie Magic sa
Hindi
budget.
talaga.
2 pesos ang savings mo.
But Chincha, ganyan talaga
More
yan.
magic sa budget.
Si
More
Dio.
magic sa luto.
Laging
Maggie
ganyan.
Magic sarap budget. Triple
Pop,
tap.
pop, pop.
Pwede na.
Teka lang guys, mag-blow tayo ng cake. Ay, prepare lang natin. Fresh bag.
What's wrong? 흘리듯이 난 너를 자극해. Watch out. 설렌 듯이 네 부품만이
ano?
터질 듯해. 내 맘대로 play it. 거침없이 shake it. You know 넌 내게 달렸다고만 알아둬.
Happy birthday to you.
수가 없어. 떨리는 눈빛 티나는 몸짓 baby. 드리고 싶은 너.
Gagawin kitang rap. birthday party to. Oh my God, birthday mo na! Wait lang. Wala, teka lang. Ay, teka, try ko mag-ano mo. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ay.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, thank you.
Happy na birthday mo pa. Happy na birthday mo pa. Happy na birthday mo pa. Happy birthday. Ilan taon ka na? Ilan taon ka na?
Ano? Yung normal na happy birthday. Ay, ito ah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Ba't ba ang pangalan ko nandito? Bakit sila Real Mercado? Ba't naman sila Real Talaga buong pangalan ko yung linagay niyo. How sweet naman. Okay. So, my wish is for MNL48 to produce high-quality music
pero pag
videos
mabigat ang feeling ko, pag may period,
music
siya ang maaasahan. Like Charmy Cotton Napkin for heavy flow.
May
Mahabang
ads.
pad, iwas tagos.
Ayan.
Malambot, may free pad pa. Ma, mahal kita. Charmy Cotton Napkin for heavy flow. You can count on me. Promo
Ayan.
runs from September 16, 2023
And
to September
then,
16,
ayun,
2024.
additionally,
permit number
I wish for
17476 to series
the health
2023.
of everyone,
Right
abundant
now,
health and
you're listening
happiness
to
for
all
my
your music
beloved
on shuffle
family,
mode with the Spotify
my
free experience.
loyal
Explore how to tune
crayons,
into your favorite
my
playlists and
cherished
albums in any
MNLs,
order, and without
dear
hearing ad
friends,
breaks with Spotify
and
Premium.
may love and joy surrounds us all, filling our days with laughter and unforgettable moments. Nakaka-distract yung ads ng Spotify. Ayun. Pero don't worry, because we have our second cake and then we'll have another cake.
Now here, think about me every night. Oh, isn't that sweet? I can so.
Ang kaman niya?
So you can sleep, baby, I know.
Ay,
Let me espresso. Move it up, down, left, right, oh. Switch it up like
Ay, teka, bakit?
So you can
Okay.
sleep, baby, I know. That's let me espresso. I can't relate to desperation.
Ayun. Here, I'm gonna make another wish. Let's take it to. So, my wish is for MNL48 to produce high-quality musics and music video. And then, additionally, abundant health for my beloved family, cherished MN loves, my loyal crayons. And ayun, more birthdays to come and maging solid ang aking Crayon Sekai fandom. Ang aking Crayon fam. Yeah. Yay! Thank you. Thank you po sa mga nagpadala ng mga foods. Thank you po sa pag-alala niyo sa akin sa birthday. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Wait lang. Ano pa ulit tayo? Wait, siyang ka man. Wait lang. Happy birthday, Claire. Thank you. Thank you, Ate Jem. Thank you. Thank you, Ate Cap. Thank you. Okay, so let's do another round of take naman. Welcome. Hala. Teka lang po. Kakanta ako. Opo, kakanta po ako. Kakanta po ako. Ayan. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, Clarille. Sana ano ka. Alam, na-excite na ako kumain. Wow! Yay! Oh my gosh! Anong color yun? Pink. Ang cute. Thank you. Yay! Thank you po. Thank you sa pagsama sa akin sa pag-blow ng cake. Yay! Yahoo! Ano naman? Hala, dapat pala merong ano. Hindi siya na ano. Mahawakan yun. Yes po, magkalapit lang po ang birthday namin. It was Ate Gem's birthday yesterday. Diba? Diba? So cool.
Wherever you are,
Kayo talaga gusto niyo akong gusto niyo ako lagi dagdagan ng plus 1. Tara, kain tayo.
긴 시간을 걸어온 사이 달아난 나의 맘이야 늘 빠르게 달려가는 세상의 소리들을 잠시 닦아놓은 채 오늘은 너의 날이 됐음에 나와 함께 Happy birthday to you.
Alam na, kuha na kayo ng Shanghai niyo. Ano gusto niyo? Gusto niyo ba ng spaghetti na sobrang tamis? Tara naman. Tara naman. Big sa Korea din. Tara naman. You want spaghetti? Spaghetti and lumpia. Lumpia. Hindi mawawala yun sa daan eh, no? Lagay natin dito. Wow, gusto ko. Buko Pandan! Gusto ko din mag-eat ng buko Pandan. It's been a while since hindi ako kasi umiwas talaga ako sa mga cold food. Mag-vlog ko? Gusto nyo ba mag-ano? Cake review the mock last one. Late na ata pero happy birthday, Madam. Thank you. Thank you, Kiri. Better late than never. Naka-screen record ko. Blow the cake, please. Pabalot tala ng spaghetti at lumpia. Try playing the song Arasang Sinta na.
Yeah, so more. I see you looking at me and I like it all. Yeah, no more. 다가오기 기다리는 건 난 나 option.
Mahaba na pala yung mga buhok ko sa kilikili. Buti na lang agad
Yes po, tayo kain tayo. Kain tayo. Happy na birthday mo pa. Happy na birthday mo pa. Oh. Magandang for the food. Wala, hindi nakikita. Well, kayo din. Kain tayo ng chicken. Kakamoyin ko na po. Kasi mahirap siya i-food. Gusto natin si Deo. Let's give some to Deo. Nakikain si Deo. Hi, my name is Yoga. I come from Indonesia. Hi, Yoga. Hello, welcome to my TikTok live. Gusto nyo? Tara, kain tayo. Let's eat. Teka lang. Wala kasi akong kuko kaya, wow, so, ito, bibigyan ko kayo ng laman. Kasi, I don't like laman. I prefer the mga balat. Sa inyo yung mga laman, akin yung balat. Pakisaw-saw sa gravy. No, the gravy is mine. Pagbigyan nyo na ako may birthday. Nabuhay si Tio. Favorite. Tio's favorite. Yung laki ng ice cream. Yung balat, di pinagkamot yung gravy lang. Hindi kasi bitin sa akin lagi ang gravy. Kaya pag mga take out ganun, super bitin. Bitin talaga. Kaya, I take all the gravy. Yeah, I like Indonesian songs. My favorite Indonesian song, my favorite JKT song is Rhapsody. It's my favorite JKT song and Indonesian song. Yo. Dapat hinahinay sa balat ng manok may cholesterol. Yeah. But it's my birthday, so I think it's okay. Diba? Birthday naman ng tao, so baka pwede naman yun.
Super sulit, no? Shopping things! Guys,
Sama
di ko
na
gets.
palagi.
Girl, di mo pa alam? Sa shop...
Ito sa inyo. This yours because it's laman. You get the laman, I get the gravy and the skin. Hala, lalanggamin ang cellphone. Teka. Diyo.
だけだったその一言で全てが分かった日が沈み出した
Oh my god.
君の姿
Thank you for liking my life.
初めて会った日から僕の心の全てを奪ったどこか
The Rhapsody song by Shani really made me like him. And the song he sung. Oh yeah. She has a really nice voice. She's the captain of cricket before it. Let it go. Seraphim. I like to listen to all their songs. I super like the Fearless. Thank you, Konando. Thank you. Para my heart. Kamay. Lapit na pala matapos B-Day mo. B-Day. Gusto mo kumain. Ayun na eh. Hindi yung nagaan. Teka lang po. Grabe naman kayo. Pinapabilis mo kumain. Hindi nyo ba alam na sinisavor ko ba? Pag ganon. Sabi daw kasi pag mabagal ka kumain, mas nalalasahan. Mas pinapamadali mo. I would rate it 10 over 10 because I super love the melody of the song. And then I always listen to it before I go to sleep. Because it's a really calming song. Tamang ikot lang sa mga members live. Wala, parang naalala ko tuloy yung yung Kumu. Kasi sabay-sabay kami nag-live. I mean, meron kami schedule nun. Nakakamiss ko rin. Times na 19 pa lang ako. What? 19 pa lang ako? Happy birthday! Thank you! Thank you, Vivi! Welcome to my life! Thank you! Enjoy ka dyan! Ingat ka! Ingat ka dyan sa Taiwan! Ingat ka dyan sa Taiwan! And have fun! Have fun! Ingat kayo dyan nila, tita! Anong oras na pala dyan? Meron bang ano? Iba ba yung oras sa Taiwan dito sa Pinas? Sino ba masan? Same time lang. Baka maano si Vivi eh.
Is this when you play?
Excuse me.
From now
Tawag
on, say
doon?
goodbye to this poor environment. The brand new game Honor of Kings is online.
Yung naaano ka sa time,
AFK at the
yung body clock mo. Ano ba yung tawag doon?
intentional report of using team.
Mutekino ega ora la soneria. Ayun, jet lag, yeah. Naalala ko kasi noon sa... Ay! Nung nasa ano ako, Indonesia ako noon. Umalis kami ng 12 a.m. Tapos dumating kami dito ng 6 a.m. So, walang tulog. Jet lag ba tawag doon? Ay, hindi. Ayun, walang meaning na jet lag. Yeah. Ay, ito. This is balat. Ay, ito balat. Natatawa ako sa ano ni Dio, sa mata niya. Sobrang laki talaga. Pag kumakain siya ng mga table food, especially yung mga favorite niya. Laki talaga ng eyes niya. Kaya matatawa ka sa mata ni Dio. Ano yung nanay mo? Kaya nanay mo. Nanay mo. Pero in fairness, marami yung gravy. Good daw. The best. Kaya may ligaw sa gravy. Kapag meron na akong kasama, mag-ano kami. Kain kami chicken. Tapos di siya kakain ng di siya kakain ng gravy. Nice, nice. I guess it's gravy. Dami ang gravy. This is so nice. Hindi siya nagkulang sa gravy. Mga dalawang ganito. Kasi inaano ko din sa rice. Hindi, kasi kapag take out, walang refill. Tapos may bayad kapag extra gravy. Kasi binabayaran ito yung lalagyan. Malakas talaga mag-gravy, kaya nga, delicate. Diba kasi yung gravy nila, like parang, paano ba yun? Parang kakaiba yung lasa. Natatawa ko sa nature ni Dio, nasa harapan ko kasi siya. Tapos yung nature niya, sobrang laki ng mata niya. Diba Dio? Diba Dio? Aha. Yung Takaneko, sikat pala yun. Takaneko?
前ぐらいの方がいいんじゃないですか。
もうちょい前やってもうちょい前。
後ろからやとあれ勢いで落ちてまうから。
Si Dio.
今いけそうやって今いけそうやっていくよ。
うわ
Let's play something, magical. Magical that will suit our peg for today. For today or for today.
The more alcohol those drunkards consume, the more sober they'll become. 1,000 faces in 1,000
Bebegor.
places. Can you find me a...
Deyo! La, ano yun? When you feel... This is from Tangled. Wait lang. Guys, wait lang. I'll be back. Kumuha ulit ng gravy. Uy, grabe kayo ah. Grabe, kumuha ulit ng gravy. Nabitin po sa gravy. Sway! Make a wish and a dream in you, girl. Yung takane ko kanina na nag-translate ng English para lang makausap ka. Ay, talaga? Hala, like parang J-pop, ganun. Hala. Hala, OMG, awan na ano to eh. Mukbang. Mukbang. Mukbang ng cherry. Hala, di ako maano. Ito. Cherry. Hi, Clariel. Hello. Sila yung kumanta ng Kawaii Kute Gomen ba yun? Hala, seryoso? Hala, really ba? Hala. Sobrang sikat ng kanta na yan. Chia! Kawaii Kute Gomen. Aking paboritong song from Tangled. When you feel like you're ready to go somewhere you never been, make a wish and a dream in you grows, shining as bright as day, carrying you far away. The story begins with a light in your heart, a fantasy, a dream and a spark. Won't you believe you are ready to shine? The princess inside you will show you are the glow. You are the glow. Look around, taking all that you see. You just might be surprised. A world of enchantment and pure majesty you'll be discovering. The princess that you're meant to be. The story begins with a light in your heart, a fantasy, a dream and a spark. Won't you believe you are ready to shine, bright as the world's ever known? You are the glow. Your strength, believe every day, a magical journey awaits. Story begins with a light in your heart, a fantasy, a dream and a spark. Once you believe you are ready to shine, the princess inside you will show you are the glow. You are the glow. Yes, this song is like, you know, yung sa Tangled. It has a really good lyrics. The meaning of the song. You are the glow. Make a wish and a dreaming you grow. Diba? And then, before we end, I just want to promote ulit our original single, which is Summertime. Let's keep streaming, and we already surpassed 100k streams. Grabe. Grabe, iba talaga yung 25 ml loves. Oh, grabe kasi ang taas na ng ating views sa Spotify. So, the best talaga. Iba talaga ang MN Loves. Grabe yung effort sa pag-stream. Thank you so much. Keep streaming Summertime of MNO48. Sukichu. Thank you, Jessie Wolf. Summertime, feeling alive. Stars above, let's take a dive. Everyone's afraid of love. The first original single for 2024. Yes, this is and then sobrang tagal din bago to na-release, and we've been working really hard for this song. Kaya please do keep supporting. Thank you, Jessie. Thank you for the roses. Salamat ko. Summertime, feeling alive. Let's play Summertime. Summertime.
Summertime, feeling alive. So well, let's take a dive. Everyone's afraid of love, but I won't hold back, not another day. Stepping deep, feeling strong to the core. Chase a thrill, let's shop for more. I really wanna know what's the deal. 1,000 suns can be still. No, if things start getting out of control, that you are the kind of girl who won't let me down. So what are we waiting for? Cause it's summertime. I'm putting my heart on the line, yeah. But wasn't a cry. I know that it will be alright, yeah. So
30? Uy, grabe ka naman, Bendel. Baka naman maniwala yung iba. Sabi nga, grabe, 30 na siya. Tapos MNL member pa din siya. Baka sabihin lang iba, grabe, she's 30 years old and she's still, wow, fighting, still fighting. E di, parang ano na ako nun, sobrang shonda ko naman.
I just gotta feel the flames. You know that life's too short. Gotta feel that he loves the game. Let's play. Fabulous, marvelous, always full of high loves, dangerous. Love is like a summer breeze. Feels so alive. Reach for the sky.
Lalo na sumasakit agad mga.
Things are getting out of control. That you are the kind of boy that won't let me down. So what are we waiting for?
Parang si Yuki rin. Parang umabot din siya ng 30 ba? Or parang around the late 20s.
So bring it on, let's just give it a shot. Cause it's on time. Let's run away until summertime. I'm ready.
Okay, magandang steps dito. I think it would be okay if kaya pa ng katawan mo and then you still love what you're doing, it makes you happy. I think pwede talaga, diba? Kasi kung kaya mo naman, why not go, diba? Sana, kayanin pa natin. Di ba, ayun yung mga minute ng pang parang mga senior ganun. For love, ready talaga ng support sa bones. Yeah. Calcium, mga yan. Are you ready?
Ready for that summer shopping?
Hi, Clariel. Hi, Gary. Welcome back to my live. Oh, no. You didn't, see, we blow the cake. And then, I made a wish.
Download Shopee now.
Tapos lagi ka magpahid ng kating ko, And then, before tayo mag-end, let's play another princessy song. Oh yeah. Ano, baka sabihin niyo scam ako. Hindi, kasi gusto ko lang kayo i-surprise. Like, diba?
See how well that makes such wonderful things.
Just sa LOL?
Could be bad.
Plus, Seraphine.
Isn't it neat?
I like Seraphim.
Wouldn't you
Seraphine.
collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm a girl who had
Si D.O. The girl who has everything. Gagawa rin tayo niyan. Gagawa rin tayo. I'm just waiting for the right time. Like something na meron akong ma-share. Ganon. Parang ganon.
See how a world that makes such wonderful things.
Narinig niyo ba yung song?
Could be bad. Look at this stuff. Isn't it neat?
Wouldn't you think my collection's complete?
Wouldn't you think I'm the girl who has everything? How many wonders?
Si Dio, gusto na niyang lumabas
No
ng room.
battery. Please charge.
No battery, please charge. Oh no, I forgot to charge my speaker. I said I can hear you, so you need a speaker.
You want
to think of us? I've got 20.
But who cares?
No big deal.
I want
think
more.
I should. Look at this trove, treasures untold. How many wonders can one cabin hold? Sure.
Ariel, are you okay? If only I could make him understand.
If only I can make him understand. We are part of your world, MNO48 Clariel. Thank you.
I just don't see things the way he does.
So before we end, let's
Don't
play
see
part of
how
your
a world
world.
that makes such wonderful things could be bad.
Happy birthday, Cla! Thank you,
Isn't
Yuki.
it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm the girl who has everything?
Si Danielle naalala ko sa
Treasures
kanta.
untold. How many
I remember
wonders
that
can one ever
era.
hold? Looking around here, you think
Ayun yung time na super
she's got
talaga crazy ako
everything.
sa New Jeans.
I've got gadgets and gizmos aplenty. I've got who's its and what's its galore. You want thingamabobs? I got 20. But who cares?
No big deal.
I want more. I wanna be where the people are. I wanna
see him dancing, walking around on those, what you call them? Sleeping your feet, you don't get
wanna see 'em dancing, walking around on those. What do you call 'em? Oh, feet.
Wala ata si Benny dito.
Flipping your feet.
Where did
you don't
Benny
get
go?
too far. Legs are required for jumping, dancing, strolling along down the, what's that word again? Street. Up where they walk, up where they run, up where they stay all day in the sun, wandering free. Wish I could be part of that world. What would I give if I could live out of these waters? What would I pay to spend a day warm on the sand? Betcha a land they understand, but they don't reprimand their daughters. Bright young women, sick of swimming, ready to stand, ready to know what the people know. Asking my questions and get some answers. What's the fire and why does it? What's the word? Burn. When's it my turn? Would I love to explore the shore above all? Out of the sea. Wish I could be part of that world.
Na-miss ko manood ng mga ganito like si Ariel, si Cinderella, mga princess. I missed watching this. Kaya, yun.
For artists, Clip Studio Paint is quickly becoming the go-to painting program for professional and private work.
Summertime ulit tayo. Summertime, feeling alive. Before tayo,
Summertime, feeling alive. Steps above, let's take a dive. Everyone's afraid of love, but I won't hold back not another day.
Magkasama ba kami ni Ate Jem? No, nasa ano po ako. Own house.
If things are getting out of control, that you are the kind of one who won't let me down. So what are we waiting for? It's all my time.
Nasa na yung bank book area? It grew long. Malhaba na. Ito siya. This is my bag. It's long.
I'm ready, 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 ready for love. Ready, 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 ready. So bring it on, let's just get it.
Sorry for interrupting po, but do you listen to Beanie po? Yeah, I do listen to Beanie songs. I like their wag muna tayo. Favorite din ni Mommy yun, and then the Pantropico.
Things are getting out of control.
Ko is si Gwen. May bias at Beanie is si
just being alone, but we're here right now this summertime. Am I dreaming? Is it a curse of fate? I wanna believe it. This feeling's taking over the world.
1-6
Cause it's not my time. I'm putting my heart on the line, yeah. But when I cry, I know that it will be alright, yeah. So bring it on, let's just give it a shot.
I'm a fan of K-pop. I like to listen to a lot of K-pop songs. My favorite is aespa. City pop song talaga. Kapag gabi masarap pakinggan, diba? Especially when you're riding. Ayun, so that's it for today's live. That's it for today. Thank you so much for joining my birthday na. Yeah, thank you. Thank you po sa lahat ng bumate and sa lahat po na nag-send. Thank you po dahil naalala niyo po ako sa aking birthday. Thank you. Ingat po kayo palagi and see you next live. Bye-bye. Good night. God bless you all. God bless you all. Thank you so much for watching my TikTok live. Ingat kayo palagi. Good night. And ngayon lang ba tayo nag-live nang umabot tayo ng 12 a.m. So, wow. Sorry ko napuyat ko kayo. Bye-bye. Good night. Love you. Good night, guys. Bye-bye. Sleep well sa inyo. See you sa panaginip. See you sa panaginip. Bye-bye. So, bye-bye, guys. Love you.
Parang inaano nila. Makikipag ano ako doon. Hindi pet friendly po, hindi pet friendly.